Hey guys, today I want to show you this board that I designed. It is a dual channel breadboard power supply, and it is a prototype. It's not the final version, obviously. It's the 0.000001 version. And it's a concept. Let's call it a concept. So it uses a boost converter to boost the voltage up to 14.5 volt, and then you can buck it down, you can step it down to what voltage you want. Here we have the variable resistor. So you can do, so if, for example, you can have your 9-volt battery, and then this will boost it up to 14.5 volts, and then you can have 5 volt here, and maybe the other channel you can have 3.3 volt or 12 volt here and 5 volt here, what you want. Obviously the maximum is 14 volt almost. It's not really high power. Its maximum is about 1 amp, not much, but it is designed for breadboard. It is not a high power supply. You turn it on with this switch. This is a reset switch because this has a protection feature. This is your OLED that will tell you the voltage and also the current. It is a little bit offset. It has a little bit of offset, but it's all software, so I can adjust it. On the back we have the voltage reference, the selection of the voltages, because you can have 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and the adjustable version. It is a single pole free throw switch. So we can test it, give it a try. Remember, this is obviously not a finished product or anything else. It's a concept. Okay guys, now let's try with the 5 volt. Here we have 5.2 volt, but it says here 5.32. Yeah, pretty good, but it's a little bit, yeah, 5.4. It's not really that good. You have to maybe average the voltage and maybe next version. Although it's software thing, I think. Okay, so let's try directly with 1 amp and see what we have. Okay, this is pretty bad. At 1 amp we have 4.8 volt. So yeah, you have to increase the current capability of this thing at least 1 amp. Let's try with 500 milliamp. Okay, now that's 5 volts, pretty good. As you can see, the current sensing is perfect, 0.51 amp. That's pretty good. We are drawing 368 milliamp. 5 volts. Now there is also a feature that I implemented that is like an overload thing. So if you go really high, let's try with 1.6 amp. There is this pop-up that says overload. Now if you can see, like this. But there is the overload here, the overload board that shows you to you, and you can then reset clicking this button, and then you're fine to go, you're ready to go. Although this is not working because it's not shutting down the boost converter that should be. So yeah, there are some things to do to improve. This is obviously only a concept, but I think it's pretty fine. For the first version, I have to adjust the current capability. The current sensing is pretty good. You have also to adjust the voltage sensing a little bit, and this shutdown version that I think is pretty handy. So if you like go over 1.5 amp, it should shut it down because maybe there is a short circuit or something, or maybe there is the current feature, the current limiting feature is pretty good, I think, on this breadboard thing. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.